Most people think of FP&A as a destination. You get the role, you do the work, you climb the FP&A ladder. But here is what nobody tells you early enough. FP&A isn't a destination, it is a launch pad. And what it launches you into is far more interesting than most finance careers ever get. I have built a FP&A community with more than 12,000 members across 100 plus countries. I have watched hundreds of FP&A professionals go on to careers that would have seemed impossible from where they first started. CFOs, global strategy leaders, independent consultants, technology innovators, business owners. The skills FP&A builds like financial modeling, strategic thinking, cross-functional influence, data storytelling, scenario planning are not niche skills. They are leadership skills, and leadership skills opens many doors. In this video, I am going to walk you through the 7 career paths that open up once you have a strong FP&A experience. Some of these you have probably considered, and some of them might genuinely surprise you. The 7 paths, each one is grounded in real skills that FP&A develops, and I will show you exactly why FP&A is such an unusually strong launching pad for each one of them. So whether you are just starting out in FP&A or you have been in the function for years and wondering what is my next move, stay with me and I will show you in this video. So let us dive in. So let's start with the most obvious path and the one that FP&A is uniquely positioned for compared to almost any other function in finance. The CFO role requires a very specific combination: deep financial literacy, strategic thinking, the ability to influence the C-suite, and a bird's eye view of the entire business. This is exactly what FP&A builds. FP&A professionals spend their careers partnering with senior leadership, building the financial models that underpin major financial decisions, and communicating complex analysis to non-financial executives. By the time a strong FP&A professional is ready for the CFO seat, they have already been doing a significant part of that job. The path runs almost directly through great FP&A experience, but not everyone wants the CFO title. Some of the most valuable career paths are the ones that go deep rather than up. FP&A exposes you to a lot, and for many professionals, that exposure reveals something unexpected, a specific area they are usually good at and genuinely enjoy. You might discover you have a gift for financial modeling and build a career as a financial modeling specialist who gets called for complex valuation and deal analysis, or at data storytelling and become the person who transforms raw financials into executive narratives, or sector specific analysis, for example banking, healthcare, technology, manufacturing, where your industry depth becomes your differentiator. Niche expertise doesn't narrow your options, it sharpens your value. And in a world where finance is increasingly technical, being genuinely exceptional at one thing is one of the fastest paths to seniority and market premium. Going deep in one area also tends to build something that becomes incredibly valuable on its own, which is a powerful network. Path number 3 is the finance business partner. This part deserves its own spotlight because it's where a lot of the most fulfilled FP&A professionals land, and it is one of the fastest growing roles in finance. A finance business partner is embedded in the business and not sitting in the central finance function, but directly working alongside a specific business unit, geography, or a function. You own the financial narrative for that part of the company. You are in their planning meetings, their strategy sessions, their performance reviews. You are not just reporting to them, you are thinking along with them. FP&A builds precisely the skills this role demands, which is cross functional fluency, commercial curiosity, the ability to translate financial complexity into business language, and the credibility to influence decisions at every level. It's FP&A at its most embedded and its most impactful. And being deeply embedded in the business naturally creates something that accelerates every other path on this list. A quick note: if you want a structured, globally recognized path to build these exact skills, the CGFP certification by FP&A Professionals Institute is designed specifically for professionals making this transition. Links are in the description. Coming back to the video, path number 4 is network into internal mobility and leadership. This is one of the least talked about paths for FP&A. But for many FP&A professionals, it turns out to be one of the most powerful career accelerators of all. Because FP&A works across every function in the company: sales, marketing, operations, HR, supply chain. FP&A professionals build internal networks that most other finance roles never have access to. You know the business unit heads, you understand their challenges, they know how you work, and that kind of internal visibility often opens doors that don't appear on any job board. Internal transfer to strategy, operations, or general management, sponsorship for leadership programs, invitation to high stakes projects, because the right person already knows what you can do and deliver. FP&A doesn't just build skills, it builds the relationships that carry careers forward. That same cross functional fluency becomes even more valuable when the business operates across border. Moving on to path number 5, which is global opportunities and international finance. As companies expand internationally, one skill set becomes increasingly rare and increasingly in demand, which is the ability to navigate finance complexity across borders. FP&A professionals who understand multi-currency environments, international reporting standards, cross-border investment analysis, and the business dynamics of different markets are genuinely scarce. Multinational companies usually compete for them, and FP&A is one of the best training grounds for developing exactly that profile. So if you are ambitious about an international career, working in different markets, building a global financial perspective, becoming the kind of finance professional who can operate at multinational level, FP&A gives you the foundation. The work scales up as the business scales out. And if any part defines where FP&A careers are heading over the next decade, it is the next one. Path number 6 is related to technology, AI, and the future of finance. This path didn't exist in the same way 10 years ago, but it is here now and it is moving very fast. AI, machine learning, advanced analytics, and FP&A software platforms are transforming how financial planning and analysis gets done. And the professionals who will lead that transformation aren't purely technical people. They are also FP&A professionals who understand the business problem deeply enough to know what good looks like when a tool solves it. So, if you are comfortable with data, curious about technology, and willing to lead implementation rather than just use FP&A tools, there is an entire career category emerging around the intersection of FP&A expertise and technology. Finance transformation leads, FP&A system architects, AI in finance specialists. These roles didn't have names 5 years ago, but they will define the future of the finance and the next generation. And finally, path number 7 is FP&A consulting and independent advisory. After years of building financial model, advising the leadership, and understanding how businesses actually work, some FP&A professionals reach a point where the most valuable thing that they can offer is no longer tied to one company. It is portable. FP&A consulting is a real and a growing career path. Independent FP&A advisors work with startups that need the financial rigor but can't yet afford a full-time FP&A team. They work with mid-sized businesses going through a business transformation. They help private equity backed companies build the forecasting infrastructure needed for growth. The skills that make you excellent in an FP&A role, which is modeling, scenario planning, communication, business partnering, are exactly the skills businesses will pay you for on a project basis. It requires a shift in how you think about your value, not as a role you hold, but as the expertise you bring in. And for the right person, it is one of the most rewarding career paths of all. So we discussed all the 7 paths: CFO, niche specialist, finance business partner, internal leader, global finance, technology expert, and independent consultant. All of them are real, all of them are accessible, and all of them start from the same foundation: strong FP&A skills and the right mindset. The question isn't which path is possible, the question is which one is yours. Drop a comment below and tell me which one of these 7 paths you are aiming for right now. And if you want a structured path and a globally recognized FP&A certification to start building towards it, the CGFPA certification by FP&A Professionals Institute is where I would point you to. Links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.